fine. How's it going, guys? Thank you for clicking on the actual link. This is one of my students now for probably for the last year. So he's been doing extremely well. So obviously I wanted to jump on a call with him just for him to, first of all, show off his results. But second of all, there is a deeper, I guess, message behind this. And I think this man is living proof that making excuses is not going to essentially get you anywhere. Just because he's an extremely busy man, hopefully he can give us a good introduction about who he is and what he does. But yeah, how's it going, mate? You good?
Hi, Alex. How you doing, man? Right, guys. I'm good, thanks. So that was a really nicely and kindly worded by Alex. However, I'm a pharmacist, and so I work as a pharmacist. I've got two daughters, little ones, 1-year-old and 2-year-old. So you can imagine just trying to work and trying to do that and then try to do Amazon, FBA in between all of this. It's been a struggle. So I've been trying to do it myself willy-nilly for a long time. I'm talking a year, 2 years, did retail arbitrage, did all sorts of models. And I even did private labeling. Then I was struggling because my intake or like my revenue was very low. And I was thinking, I'm missing something here. Like people are saying 7 figures, they're making crazy money. And I'm here, I'm making like 1 or 2K in a couple of months. And even that is not all money. That's just like a little bit of ROI. When you take it all out, your profit is like nothing. So I'm like, I'm doing private. I spend so much time in private labeling. Honestly, I spent so much. Then I met Alex. And then I thought, do I take the dive with Alex or not? But you know what? This guy, I just like the way he carried himself. Honestly, Alex, the way you carry yourself and the way you present is like, it's not like you're open saying, I'm some guru, I'm some master. You're just like, look, I've got some information that's going to help you. That's literally how he told me. And he said, look, you want to do it, go for it. And I did a strategy call with it. And when we did that call, Alex knows I was struggling. I was in a bad place. I'm talking like everything was chaotic and
just for everyone on the call, can you just say, and keep in mind, guys, I'm not going to do this ever again. This was a one-off. At what time did we have that call?
It was like a midnight at night. And, honestly, I said to Alex, I said, I really want to do it. I don't have time in the schedule. If you can make time at midnight, I know it's midnight. And you know what? Alex came through. That's the best thing about this guy. He will come through. And, the one thing he said to me, he said, no matter what time, whenever you message me, I will get back to you. And guaranteed, even after the fact, he's still replying to my messages. And that is someone that sticks to his words and commitments. He makes a commitment and he makes you get results. But I'm telling you, so we were at 12, I was at 12K, by the way, on Amazon FBA revenue, by the way, prior to his call. Now we've had a 600% increase due to Alex's strategy call. I will show you the results. I've got the results here. And honestly, it's absolutely incredible what he's taught me. So now we're on 73.78K, if you can see there.
That's some insane results, by the way. That's get ready now for that VAT threshold as well.
That's the only thing coming up. But don't worry, Alex is going to help me. That's what I'm saying to you guys. Honestly, one of the best things I'll say to you, I've even left him a little testimonial on the website. He said, is that I know you're all hesitant. You're all thinking, look, oh, is this going to be one of them things? It's going to get scammed. It's not going to work. I'm telling you, I'm working as a pharmacist. I'm trying to do FBA and everything, but I was wasting time. When I met Alex, he saved me time. And the amount of money I put in with this guy, I've got that back so many-fold that I'm just like, why didn't I just jump in? So I'm telling you guys, jump in, trust this guy. This guy knows what he's talking about, 100%.
I really appreciate that. But my point here, guys, is the following. A lot of people say they want to get into this world, let's say in this business, because of A, B, and C. At the end of the day, the reality of things is that you get into it because of money. No other reason why. However, remember your motivation. You're living proof, At the end of the day, I still remember when we had that conversation, you said, listen, I'm doing it for my kids. No other reason why. Everyone has a motivation, guys. You just need to find it within. Your excuse of saying, I don't have time, just doesn't work anymore. We are in the 18th century where you work 19, 20 hours a day doing manual labor. You always have a few hours available, which you can honestly invest just like you did. And then hopefully, and I can to a certain extent guarantee the results that you actually will achieve. You showed me your last month so far.
Last month.
Can you show them as well just to see what you've been able to achieve so far just in the last month of
this
November.
is last 30 days. Bear in mind, it's a Q4, and so can you see that? That is 16.
Yeah, perfect.
That is 16.5K in 1 month.
Alongside full-time job, full-time dad, and your side business. And also, I want
to add to Alex, just to start to put you off there, is imperfect action. Imperfect action is better than perfect inaction. Now get that in your mind. Imperfect action is better than perfect inaction. So not doing anything perfectly, you're never going to go anywhere.
Exactly.
But if you do something imperfectly, you'll learn and you'll grow and you'll achieve. And I'm telling you, that's the proof.
At the end of the day, you can think about an idea for as long as you want it, essentially, but if you never implement anything, you will simply never get to where you want to get. Honestly, mate, I can't see what you're going to actually achieve in the next 12 months. I think it's going to be absolutely mental. Hopefully it'll get you to the stage where, I'm not saying you will, I'm not necessarily saying you have to, but who knows, maybe being a full-time pharmacist won't be on the cards anymore.
That's it. That's the idea. That's
hopefully that's the aim. In regards to, the next 12 months, is there an actual number that you want to manifest to a certain extent to say, listen, that would be the dream the next 12 months?
Well, my goal for the end of this year was 100K. I'm at 72, right? So closing in. And next year, I want to be past the 100K, possibly closing into 200K. So that's the next 12 months. And you know how it works, scaling up. Once the ball starts getting rolling, it just starts climbing.
Exactly. As we said previously, at the end of the day, cash flow is always going to be a massive issue with this type of business. There are ways around it, but you still need to be patient and, still need to have patience. And you're honestly living proof, man.
Alex, I just want to say thanks for the time that you've invested in me and allowing me to achieve this. Honestly, I didn't think it was possible. I actually thought just from YouTube videos, I'll get there. But I mean, there's so much information out there. So which is the right information? But as you have sorted it, made into a methodology, you've taught, that's how I've achieved where I've got to. And I'm telling you, this guy's a gem. I guarantee you, you will see a difference in your business.
Thanks for the kind words. And also, just because you mentioned it, that's so true. Anyone can achieve these type of results on your own. I'm not going to discredit anyone, but as you mentioned, there's a ton of information out there. If you want to streamline the entire process, you can go to anyone, just do your due diligence about that person and what he teaches. But, when you streamline that process, there is going to be a premium for it. So it's really up to you guys what you prefer on doing. But, to a certain extent, as I mentioned previously, we can guarantee you guys results. Once again, mate, I really appreciate you jumping on this call with me. Hopefully in a year's time, we'll jump on another call, same date, and you'll tell me that you've made 200K worth of sales on Amazon. All right?
Yes, man.
Appreciate it, man. Thank you very much, then.
Thank you so much.
Take care, bud.